Hi students, welcome to my channel. I am Divya. I will be teaching 10th class mathematics. Today we will be solving exercise 4.1 from the chapter Quadratic Equations. So the first question is, check whether the following equations are quadratic equations. So we need to check whether the following are the quadratic equations. So we know the standard form of a quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, where a is not equals to 0. Yes, so we need to simplify and see if this is in the form of a quadratic equation. Okay, so now let us solve the problems. So the first one, x plus 1 whole square is equals to 2 of x minus 3. This is in the form of a plus b whole square, okay, which is x square plus 1 square plus 2 into x into 1, okay, is equals to, I'm just multiplying 2 with x minus 3. You will get 2x minus 2 into 3 is 6, okay. So, which is x square plus 2x plus 1 is equals to 2x minus, see here, we need to get it in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. Okay, so we will get this both the terms to LHS. So you will get x square plus 2x plus 1. If we get plus 2x to LHS, you will get minus 2x. And if we get minus 6 to LHS, you will get plus 6. And in the RHS, you will have 0. Okay. Now, this will be x square. Here plus 2x and minus 2x will get cancelled. So, there is no x term. Okay. So, plus 7 is equals to 0. Now, let us compare it with the standard form. So, we have x square term, right, which is x square plus, so do we have any x term? No, we do not have any x term. So, let us take it as 0 into x plus constant term is 7. 7 is equals to 0. Okay, where a is not equals to 0, right, where a is equals to 1 here. Okay. So, you can write it as, hence it is a quadratic equation. So, let us solve the next question, which is x square minus 2x is equals to minus 2 into 3 minus x. Okay. So, let us take the LHS term as it is, which is x square minus 2x is equals to, in the RHS we will multiply 3 minus x with minus 2. First we will multiply 3 with minus 2 and then we will multiply minus 2 with x. So, minus 2 into 3 is minus 6. Minus into minus, which is plus. 2 into x is 2x. Now, again let us get these two terms which are in the RHS to LHS. Okay. So, you will get x square minus 2x. If you get this minus 6 to LHS, you will get plus 6. And then plus 2x will become minus 2x. In the RHS, you will have 0. Okay. Now, again if you simplify this further, x square and minus 2x is minus 4x plus 6 is equals to 0. Now, let us compare this equation with the general form. So, what is the general form? Ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, where a should not be equals to 0. If you see this equation, a is not equals to 0, right? Because a is equals to 1. Yes, so hence we can say it is a quadratic equation. Okay. Now let us solve the next question. So if you see the LHS, we will multiply x with x and then we will multiply x with 1. Okay. First we will multiply minus 2 with x and then we will multiply minus 2 with 1. Okay. So in the same way, in the RHS, first we will multiply x with x and then we will multiply x with 3. Okay. And then we will multiply minus 1 with x and then we will multiply minus 1 with 3. Okay. Now let us remove the brackets. X into x is x square. X into 1 is plus x. Minus 2 into x is minus 2x. Minus 2 into 1 is minus 2 is equals to x into x is x square. X into 3 is plus 3x. Minus 1 into x is minus x. Minus 1 into plus 3 is minus 3. Now let us get all the terms which are in the RHS to LHS. Okay. So first let us write the terms which are in the LHS first. That is x square plus x minus 2x minus 2 plus x square when you get to LHS will become minus x square plus 3x when you get to LHS will become minus 3x. Minus x when you get to LHS will become plus x and minus 3 when you get to LHS will become plus 3. And in the RHS you will have 0. Okay. Now plus x square minus x square will get cancelled. So how many x terms you have? This one, and this one. Okay. Now let us add all of them. Plus x minus 2x, if you add, you will get minus x. And then minus x and minus 3x, you will have minus 4x. Minus 4x plus x, you will get minus 3x. And the constant terms minus 2 and plus 3, you will get plus 1 is equals to 0. Okay. So this is the equation which we got. Now if you compare it with the general form, which is ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, where a is not equals to 0. This is the general form of a quadratic equation, right? Is this equation which we got is in this form, is in the form of a quadratic equation. We only have a x and constant terms, right? We only have a x and constant terms. So hence it is not a quadratic equation. Now let us solve the next question. So to remove the brackets, first we will multiply x with 2x, then we will multiply x with 1. In the same way, first we will multiply minus 3 with 2x and then we will multiply minus 3 with 1. Okay. In the RHS, you will multiply x with x and x with 5. Okay. So let us remove the brackets here. First we will multiply x with 2x, which is 2x square. You have plus sign, right? X into plus 1 is plus x. Minus 3 into plus 2x is minus 6x. Minus 3 into plus 1 is minus 3 is equals to x into x is x square plus x into plus 5 is plus 5x. Now we will get both the terms to LHS. Write left hand side as it is, which is 2x square plus x minus 6x minus 3. When you get plus x square to LHS, you will get minus x square. So when you get plus 5 to LHS, you will get minus 5x. And in RHS, you will have 0. So let us simplify this. So you have two x square terms, which is this and this. Okay. So 2x square minus x square is x square. and x terms you have this one, and this one. So let us add them, which is minus 10x. Okay, and then constant terms you have only minus 3. So write minus 3, which is equals to 0. Now let us compare it with the general form, which is ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, where a should not be equals to 0. Yes, it is in the form of a quadratic equation, right? So hence it is a quadratic equation. So let us solve the next problem. So first we need to remove the brackets. So first we will multiply 2x with x, and then we will multiply 2x with 3. Then we will multiply minus 1 with x, and then we will multiply minus 1 with 3. In the same way, in the RHS, first we will multiply x with x, and then x with minus 1. And we will multiply 5 with x, and then 5 with 1. Okay. So let us remove the brackets. So first we will multiply 2x with x, you will get 2x square. Then we will multiply 2x with minus 3, you will get minus 6x. Okay. Then you will multiply minus 1 with x, which is minus x. Then minus 1 with minus 3, which is plus 3. Okay. You will multiply x with x, which is x square. Then you will multiply x with minus 1, which is minus x. Then you will multiply 5 with x, which is plus 5x. Then you will multiply 5 with minus 1, which is minus 5. Okay. So write left hand side as it is. 2x square minus 6x minus x plus 3 is equals to. So we will get all the RHS terms to LHS. So we are trying to get this equation in the standard form, which is ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, where a is not equals to 0. Okay. That is the reason we are getting all the terms which are in the RHS to LHS. Okay. So that we can get in this form, which is p of x is equals to 0. Okay. Which is p of x is equals to 0. So let us get these terms to LHS, which becomes minus x square, minus x changes to plus x, and plus 5x changes to minus 5x, and minus 5 when it comes to LHS, which becomes plus 5. So in the RHS you will have 0. Now simplify this. So 2x square minus x square, you have x square. And x terms you have this one, and this one. Okay. So minus 6x minus 6 is minus 7x. Minus 7x plus x is minus 6x. Minus 6x and minus 5x is minus 11x. So constant terms you have 3 and 5, which is plus 8, is equals to 0. Okay. So when you compare it with the standard form, it is a quadratic equation, right? Where a is not equals to 0, you have 1 here. Okay. So right, hence it is a quadratic equation. Let us solve the next question. X square plus 3x plus 1 is equals to x minus 2 whole square. So let us write LHS as it is, which is x square plus 3x plus 1 is equals to, here let us apply the identity, which is a minus b whole square. So you will get x square minus 2 into x into 2 plus 2 square. Okay. So x square plus 3x plus 1 is equals to x square minus 2 2s are 4, 4x plus 4. Okay. Now let us get all the terms to LHS. let us write LHS terms as it is, x square plus 3x plus 1. So in the RHS, x square term, when you're taking it to LHS, it becomes minus x square, and minus 4x will become plus 4x, plus 4 will become minus 4, is equals to, in the RHS you will have 0. Okay. So x square and minus x square will get cancelled. So plus 3x and plus 4x will be plus 7x, and plus 1 minus 4 is minus 3, is equals to 0. So when you compare this equation with the general form, which is ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, where a is not equals to 0. So is this a quadratic equation? Do we have ax square term? No, we do not have ax square term. We only have x and constant term. Yes, so this is a linear equation. It is not a quadratic equation. Correct? So just write, hence it is not a quadratic equation. So let us solve the next question. X plus 2 whole cube is equals to 2x into x square minus 1. So here we will apply a plus b whole cube. What is a plus b whole cube? A cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Now let us expand this one, which is x cube plus 2 cube plus 3 into a square is nothing but x square into b is nothing but 2 plus 3 into a is x plus b square is 2 square. Okay, is equals to, let us multiply 2x with x square minus 1. So 2x into x square is 2x cube minus 2x into 1 is 2x. Okay, now let us get both the terms to LHS. Let us simplify and take LHS term as it is, which is x cube plus 2 cube is 8 plus 3 into 2 is 6, 6x square plus 4 into 3 is 12, 12x, 12x. Now let us get this, both the terms to LHS. Plus 2x cube will become minus 2x cube, and minus 2x will become plus 2x. In the RHS you will have 0. Okay. Now x cube terms, you have x cube and minus 2x cube. So you will get minus x cube. Okay. Then x square term you only have 1. So take plus 6x square. Then x term you have plus 12x and plus 2x. So plus 14x. And constant term you only have 8. Take plus 8 is equals to 0. So this is the equation which we have got. So when you compare this equation with the general form, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, where a is not equals to 0. So can you say, is this equation a quadratic equation? So the first term of the quadratic equation is the x square term, right? Here we have x cube term. So what kind of a equation is this? This is a cubic, right? If the equation has to be quadratic equation, the first term of the equation has to be x square term. So we can say, hence this equation is not a quadratic equation. Okay. So you can write, hence it is not a quadratic equation. Clear? So let us solve the last problem from the question 1. This is x cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1 is equals to x minus 2 whole cube. So this is in the form of a minus b whole cube. So what is a minus b whole cube? A cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Okay. So write LHS as it is, which is x cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1 is equals to, now let us expand x minus 2 whole cube. Okay. So a cube is nothing but x cube. X cube minus b cube is 2 cube. 2 cube minus 3 into a square is x square into b is 2 plus 3 into a is x and b square is 2 square. Okay. Let us write LHS as it is again. X cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1, and let us solve for RHS, which is x cube minus 8. This will be 3 into 2 is 6 minus 6x square plus 2 square is 4. 4 into 3 is 12. 12x. Now let us get all the terms in the RHS to LHS. Okay. So x cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1 plus x cube will become minus x cube. Minus 8 will become plus 8. Minus 6x square will become plus 6x square plus 12x will become minus 12x is equals to 0. Okay. So x cube and minus x cube will get cancelled. X square terms you have minus 4x square and plus 6x square. So you will get 2x square. And x terms you have minus x and minus 12x. So which is minus 13x. Constant terms you have plus 1 and plus 8, which is plus 9. That is equals to 0. Okay, so this is the equation that we have got. So when you compare this equation with the general form, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, and a should not be equals to 0. So we can say it is a quadratic equation, right? So we can say hence it is a quadratic equation. Please do practice these problems and let me know if you have any questions in these problems. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel Divyas Maths. See you in my next video. Take care. Bye.